What's up guys, welcome to another video. The Bitcoin chart is currently consolidating in a diamond chart pattern. Here in this consolidation, we can either break either to the upside or to the downside. If we are breaking either to the upside or to the downside, the target is the width of this chart pattern, either to the upside or to the downside. What is noteworthy about this chart pattern we are currently forming is that we are forming this chart pattern after a long run up to the upside. So we can actually call this chart pattern a diamond top reversal chart pattern. Because when we have a long run up to the upside and we then form this chart pattern, the chances are that we can actually break to the downside. Will this chart pattern be the one that will take us down to the level of $25,200, which is our support level on the daily time frame, for us to have a retest of structure before we continue the move to the upside? Sit back and relax as we delve into the charts. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Williams. I make daily technical analysis on the Bitcoin charts. So if that's what you're here for, subscribe to the channel, turn on push notifications so you don't miss out on real-time updates on the Bitcoin charts. Before we dive into the Bitcoin chart, smash the like button. Let's get this video to about 100 likes. Looking at the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see we are currently consolidating as we have analyzed earlier. We are currently consolidating in a diamond top reversal chart pattern. If we check Google, we can see how we can trade this chart pattern. Can see, check Google, we can see this is how to trade a diamond top reversal chart pattern. A diamond top reversal pattern is when we have a move to the upside, then we see a diamond top consolidation, a diamond chart pattern consolidation, and then this is how we take it from the highs to the lows. Then when we're having a break of structure, a break below the previous low, the target is actually this our width to the downside. So if we are seeing a break below this level, a break below the previous higher low on our chart pattern, then we can entertain a move down to the downside, just as we outlined in this site where we are seeing how to trade diamond top. If we come back to the Bitcoin chart, we expect a similar move on the Bitcoin chart. Taking our trend line, if we are seeing a break below the trend, creating a new lower low on the Bitcoin chart to the downside, then we can then sell the market for the continued move to the downside. So this diamond top reversal chart pattern could actually take us as low to our level of $25,200. Remember this level of $25,200. Remember this level of $25,200 is our support level on the daily time frame where we analyze the inverse head and shoulder chart pattern that could actually take us as high as the level of $34,000. We've had a break of structure to the upside. This reversal pattern could actually be what we'll use to come back to test this level as support. So we are seeing a break of structure to the downside where the diamond top reversal chart pattern is playing out, then we can entertain a move to the downside. But if we are only having a consolidation, remember we said that this diamond chart pattern could either break either to the upside or to the downside. If we're having a consolidation and we are seeing a break above the previous highs, which in this case is the level of $28,397, approximately the level of $28,400, if we are seeing a clear break above this level, then we can entertain this our trend line to the upside, because it's actually the probability of us breaking to the upside is there. So we could actually see a break that will take us as high as the level of 30,624 on this trading setup we see on the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hourly time frame using this diamond top reversal chart pattern. So the chances are, because the reversal pattern, that we could break to the downside could be 70%, while the chances that we could break to the upside is 30%. But as traders, we do not predict the market, rather we wait for the market to do its thing. If we are seeing a break to the downside, then we can entertain a sell position to the downside. If we are seeing a break to the upside, then we can entertain a long position to the upside. Whatever direction the volatility is giving us, we have to wait for confirmations, a clear break above our previous highs and a clear break below our previous lows. Let's not forget that just above our diamond top chart pattern, we have a huge level of resistance which served as support, a strong level of support in the past. So this is a very important resistance level that if we are breaking above, we need to break above it with high volume. We saw the volume in which we broke below it in the previous times. So we need to, if we are breaking above this level, we need to see volume, we need to see buyer strength coming up so that we can be confident that truly we can entertain a move to the upside. It's also very important that we see volume at this level, because the kind of volume we see, we are seeing spikes in volume here, it can then convince us that we are not coming back to retrace to this level of $25,200. Rather, we had a breakout consolidation and we are continuing the move to the upside. Remember, while it's true that our diamond top reversal chart pattern is giving us a target of to the high of $30,400, we have a bigger chart pattern at play here, which is the inverse head and shoulder chart pattern, which is this chart pattern. Take our part. This chart pattern is still at play, which is the inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. So this chart pattern is still at play here, this inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. So if we are having a clear break with volume above this our resistance level, then we know that this chart pattern is at play. Remember, the target of this chart pattern is the level of $34,000. We took it, taking the width of from the head, which is this level. Our target from the point of breakout, you can see up to the highs of $34,000. All depends on what happens at this level. Initially here, we're going to either see a clear break above this our resistance level with volume, then we can entertain the move to the upside, saying that we are coming as high to test the level of $34,000. At what level will we become bullish or will we become bearish? Let's go down to lower time frame to see the clear trading setup that we are expecting. On the 1 hourly time frame, we can see our diamond top chart pattern. We can outline this level as our resistance level, and at this level we are currently forming our current higher low on the 1 hourly time frame. So one thing is to break above or below the trend line, but we need to also see a break of structure, which involves a clear break above the previous highs or a clear break below the previous lows. So if we are seeing a break above these previous highs, then we can entertain a clear break, a 1 hourly candle clear break above the previous high, then we can entertain a move to the upside. But we are seeing a clear break below the previous low, we are seeing a break of structure, and then we can entertain a move to the downside. All depends on when we are seeing a break of structure. So this is what we are expecting. We do not want to buy the market, we do not want to sell the market at the lower low, but I want to see a break of structure, a break below the previous low, then any form of retracement on the lower time frame, then so that we can sell the market at the next lower high for us to continue move to the downside. So while it's true that we have the setup at play already, we need to wait for confirmation. We're going to see a break above the previous highs. In this case, is the level of $28,300. We're going to see a break above the previous high. Any form of retracement on the lower time frame, we can then buy the market for the move to the upside. The market will always give us an opportunity for us to enter the trade for the move to the upside. So we want to wait for a break of structure, a retest, and then we sell or buy or long the market to the upside. Remember, nothing in this channel should be construed as a financial advice. This channel is strictly for educational purposes, empowering traders with trading setups as they take advantage of the opportunity the market presents. Don't forget, you can actually claim up to $30,000 on BYBIT on your first deposit and trade when you use the link in the description. BYBIT offers amazing discounts on your trade, so you can actually hold swing positions on BYBIT for a long period of time and spend minimal fees on trading. It's also one way you support the channel, as you get a kickback as commission from your trading fees. So this is what I see on the Bitcoin chart. Thank you very much for sticking with me through this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on push notifications so you stay up to date when I make my next video on at what point I will enter a trade on BYBIT. See you in the